Hey guys, welcome to RentSyst channel, the fleet management solutions for car rental business. In that episode, we want to share a special update related to locations and delivery logic and mechanics. And in this video guide, I want to quickly show you main features about locations in general to remind you how it works in general, and also all updates that we have at the current time at the moment. So the main updates are consist from three main parts. The first one is about improved accuracy for custom locations when you're trying to book from the Google Maps, or you copy the address from Google Map directly. The second update is coding for working radius coverage. So as you can see, we have the radiuses right now, which is visually you may see directly on the settings menu navigation here on the map, which is also cool. Moreover, in case you have two or more pickup locations, still will be possible to see both radiuses even if they crossed between each other. So as you can see, like these two borders. And the third one, settings, is the massive one. Is about it refers for combining into the more structured blocks here of settings by specific categories. So you can see we have right now delivery, pickup, and return split it for four main categories. So right now in this video guide, we will show you directly how every section works by now. But before we move forward, I want to check with you together the glossary about the difference between system and custom locations. So system location, this is your static address, which is you added inside your base settings for area here. And basically this is your mainly free system locations. I want to remind you that you can have any amount of locations and branches. We don't have any limits. Generally it may be your main office, your delivery point like airport, hotels, and etc. And custom locations, this is any address can be selected from the map inside the working area coordinates. So I want to kind reminder you as well that when you will set up your settings for locations, add carefully your working business area. It can be a city, it can be the whole country, but you can also need it for sure to identify your radius with coordinates like this one. So all your locations, system locations, which you're adding from here, it should be inside the coordinates line. It's very important. And when you will be set up your delivery fees, also customer don't have an option to make a delivery out of this line. So back to custom location, it's any location which can be done inside this working radius or outside, and depending of from your delivery settings configuration, there will be apply automatically special rates for inside radius and outside radius. Let me show you the sample here. So let's going for reservation page and reservation. So when you will do any reservation from your admin panel inside RentSyst, you can see that switcher always activated on system location. And when you selected the dates, right, let's say from this till this, you will see available options for vehicles, and you will also can choose the location from which you can pick up and return this vehicle. In case you're using wanna deliver any car from your office to any place, you can use system custom location. So switch it off to custom location. And I want to pay your attention here that you can add it manually. Let's say to type Cyprus. You can see that the recommendations from the Google here. But again, you will need to identify your address as much more clear as possible. I mean, as much more details as possible, like full street name, address with the building name, maybe postal code, and so on. So in case you will clicking on this one, you can see coordinates is outside working zones because it's not in Cyprus, I believe. So I will use this address. We will find it. Okay. Yeah, and you can see that the system is calculates automatically that distance from my airport is 5 kilometers. So in case you will select it, the rate by mileage, let's say €1 for kilometer, it will be equal €5 because like 1 on 5 equal 5. Or if you will put it like fixed tarification of €20, it will be always €20 additionally charged for delivery fee for any distance. Right. So hope it's clear. Let's go back for the settings right now. Okay. Right, so let's go back for the settings and main delivery updates. Let's click in on this bottom here. Yeah, sorry, this one. Okay, so right now we have 4 sections, as I mentioned before, and the first one is called activate reservation for non-working hours. So before continue, I want to also remind you that you will need to mark here location name, location address, again, as much more detail as possible. You can also specify your working schedule. Use this feature to unlock the days, or lock it to update the whole days amount, for instance. Yeah, so let's leave it from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. So the first one, activate reservation for non-working hours. Let's activate it. In general, this feature designed and applied only for system locations. It activates the possibility to book a vehicle for non-working hours. Inside this section, available 2 additional features. You can see delivery fee on pickup and return area, and disable same-day reservation outside working radius. Outside working hours. Yeah, so let's activate the first one. Scenario, how it works. So let's mark it, let's say €11, and it means that every time when customer trying to book a vehicle before 9 a.m. or after 6 p.m., like out of work in this schedule, right, he will be charged automatically by €11 additionally. And also very important to remember that this price works in both directions. It means that the customer pick up a car, let's say at 7 a.m. and return it at 8 p.m. He will be multiply x2 because he pick up out of working hours and return out of working hours as well. So it will be like 11 plus 11 equal 22. All right. So, and this feature, disable same-day reservation outside working radius. Activate it. So this is a very powerful feature that need to be used very carefully. This feature prevents customer from booking same-day reservations during non-working hours, ensuring that all bookings are made within your operational time frame. So this helps to manage resources efficiently and avoid last-minute rushes. So let's say, again, scenario as a sample. In case you will work from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. And customer will try to reserve on today's date any, let's say, after 6 p.m., he will not be able to do that because you disabled such feature. So it means disable same-day reservation outside working hours. That's why it's called like that. Okay, hope it's clear. Let's go for the section number 2, called activate custom location delivery. So this one is designed only for custom location. Pay attention here, which gives a possibility to set up delivery prices for any address from Google Maps. So be careful when typing an address manually. It should be added full address of the location as well. And if system tell that such address not found, please copy full address from Google Maps and paste inside the other page. So here you can see that it can be split by a few parameters. The first one is about working and non-working hours. So this area, this option is about working hours. This one is non-working hours. And also you can split it by inside working radius and outside working radius. And also additionally, you can have few types of delivery price. It can be fixed rate. It means that no matter how many kilometers or miles there will be, it will be always fixed price. Or by kilometer. If you specify here, let's say 2, it means that it will be calculated according to kilometer or miles distance. So let's say if you have the distance for location 10 kilometers, on 2 will be equal 20. All right. Yeah. Okay. So let's go next. Update delivery for non-working hours. This works inside radius. It means that, where is it? Okay. Yeah. So we have the radius, let's say 15, right? Working radius of location 15, and it's inside radius if the customer book outside of the working schedule, he will pay fixed price, let's say 20 euros. Okay. Right. Next, update delivery outside radius. So this section is responsible to specify delivery price for outside working radius. So it means that out of 15 kilometer range. And same here, you can specify type of delivery and delivery outside price rate. Let's say will be 30. Right, and the final stage here on this section is update delivery for non-working hours outside radius. So this section is responsible only for non-working hours for outside radius. So again, if you have such schedule and you have 15 kilometer radius, it means that when the customer try to book after 6 p.m. outside 50 kilometer range radius, he will pay this amount, let's say 40. Okay, let me show you this scenario on another location. So here we have such tarification model. We have delivery fee on pickup and return area 5. Yeah, 5. Working radius of this location 5 kilometers as well. The next price for non-working hours 10. Delivery outside radius 20, and delivery for non-working hours outside radius 30. Right, so let's check how it will be calculated together, the rates. So let's pretend about this scenario. So you have working radius 5 kilometer, this one. Delivery price for working radius inside this 5 kilometer during working hours will cost you 5 euro. Okay. The next scenario, in case order starts or finishing inside 5 kilometer radius, but during non-working hours, it will cost him 10 euros, this one. Okay. The next scenario, in case order starts or finishing outside 5 kilometer radius, so outside 5 kilometer, during working hours, will give him 5 euro plus 20 euro outside, because it's outside working radius. So its total calculates together as 5 plus 20 equal 25. So pay attention that it's like sum up inside plus outside radius together. And final sample will be this one plus this one. So how it's calculated, like in case the order starts or finishing outside 5 kilometer radius, so outside 5 kilometer during non-working hours. All right, so it's costs like this one, non-working radius, plus this one, because it's inside radius and this is outside for non-working hours. So equal, the price will be 40. So easy to remember that you like make it in cross. So this calculates plus this one, and this calculates plus this one. All right. So again, reminder that the calculation works in both directions, and means that delivery for pickup and delivery for return as well will be calculated together. And also for outside radius orders, tariff calculates as assumed from inside and outside together. Okay, section number 3 is about delivery fee on pickup and return area. Here is very simple how it works. By activating this feature, customer will always pay a delivery fee on pickup or return a vehicle on system location during working hours. So let's say your delivery price here is 10 euros. It means that every time when customer make a rental on this location, he will pay you 10 euro additionally. If he return it to this location, he will also pay you 10 euro additionally. So like total 10 plus 10 equal 20. In final section, this is called enable pay return to another location, which is also a cool feature, allowing you to get some additional charge when customer return the vehicle to another location. So we will check it right now, some scenarios, how it works. All right, so the first one, Larnaca has 13 euro price for return. This one has 14 Limassol, and Metropolis has 15, right? So let me switch to the reservation to show you, to show you how it's calculate together. So let's say you're trying to deliver, during working hours, of course. From Larnaca to another location, let's say Limassol. Okay, wrong date. Let's try this one. To 15. Okay. Good. So as you can see, there is a good sample was that it was the end of the day, and this location probably don't working on 6 p.m. So that's why we don't have a vehicle there. Right. So the sample here will be like when you selected the dates, it should be during working hours to show you the real pricing for this one without any extra charges for non-working hours. And click next. So the price should be the 13 delivery fee on pickup. As you can see, we have a few tarifications. Let me check it for Limassol and disable this one to show you all correct numbers. 1 second, please. Limassol, Okay, delivery fee. It should be disabled, deactivated on Larnaca, 10 euro pickup. All right, so I just go inside settings. We have additional price of this one, 10 euro. So we will disable it, update, and let's go back for reservation to add the new order right now. Okay. Apply, return to Limassol. All right now it should be good. So the sample here, when you are returning from Larnaca, which has 13 euro price to return to any place, it means that if you choose Limassol, it gives you 13. If you're choosing Metropolis, it also show you 13, right? The next sample with Limassol, it has 14 price. So when you will deliver this location to this or this, it also give you 14. So to make updates, remember to click next step. 14 right now. Metropolis, next, 14 as well. And finally, the last location, Metropolis, which you needed to deliver to the main one, Larnaca, for instance, it gives you 15. So next, and 15 price. So this is how works the main scenarios of the latest updates according for logic and mechanics for locations. For the short summary about this update, at the moment you can easily manage following delivery scenarios. So we have 13 different scenarios. So here they are. The first one, set delivery price as a fixed rate or price per kilometer or mile. It will be depending from your metrics settings configuration. Second one, set delivery price for chosen system locations during working hours. The third one, set delivery price for chosen system locations during non-working hours. Number 4, disable same-day reservations outside working hours. Number 5, set delivery working radius. Number 6, use Google Maps navigation on booking page for website integration. Number 7, disable Google Maps navigation in case you have only one location or you don't need it like to use custom location at all. Number 8, set delivery price for chosen custom locations from Google Maps inside working radius during working hours. Number 9, set delivery price for chosen customer locations inside working radius during non-working hours. Number 10, set delivery price for chosen custom locations outside working radius during working hours. Number 11, set delivery price for chosen custom locations outside working radius during non-working hours. Number 12, set fixed delivery price for pickup or return on system locations. And number 13, it's about set paid return price in case pickup and return locations are different. So this update was really massive from the development part, and we believe that this is definitely improve your experience using delivery and location fees. So stay tuned for more updates as we continue to improve RentSyst capabilities together with you guys. See you in the next videos and have a great day.